You're going to come to Google and search for Office Deployment Tool. As you can see here, search for that. Click on the first link on top here. It's going to bring you to this page where you can download the Office Deployment Tool. So click on download. As you can see here, it doesn't even take time. It does this very fast. It's downloaded and it's going to be in the downloads folder. So open the File Explorer, come to downloads, and here you're going to see the Office Deployment Tool. Now this is the file that we want, but it's not going to be in this folder. So I'll cut this from here and come to this PC and open the local disk C. Here you're going to create a new folder, call it Office 2024. And just like that, open this folder and paste the Office deployment tool that we just cut from the downloads folder. You're going to right click on it and run this as an administrator. Then give this permission to do its thing by clicking on yes. When this window pops up, click on here to accept the Microsoft software license terms and click on continue. And this is going to open a small pop-up box like this. Now here you have to choose the location where it's going to extract files from the Office deployment tools. So you are going to select this PC and also locate the local disk C, and in here open the or select the Office 2024 folder and click on it. OK. As you can see, you should be able to get the files extracted successfully. So you can click on OK, and here you should be able to see the setup file and also the configuration. Office 365. Now, there is another file that I'll leave a link to in the description that you are supposed to download. This is the file that I want you to download in the description below. So I'll copy this from here or just cut it, then come back to this PC, the local disk C, and open Office 2024. In here, we want to paste this file. Now you are going to click on top here in this path. Click there and type CMD and press enter on the keyboard. This is going to open the command prompt in the same folder location in the local disk C in the Office 2024 folder. Copy this command from the description and paste it here. This is the command that tells your computer to install Microsoft Office. So copy that command and paste it here and press enter. Then here you're going to be asked to give permission to do its thing. Just click on yes. Then it's going to start downloading. As you can see here, this is what you're going to see. It's going to start downloading. Now what you should know here is it's going to take some time because this is a big file. Just wait for it to finish. When it's finished, you're going to see this message all set, and so you can just close this and you can minimize this window here. Now when our Microsoft Office is installed, when you come here, for instance, when you open Excel or PowerPoint or whatever Microsoft Office product you work with, try to open Excel here. We're going to see that we have Excel there, and it's going to open nicely like that. As you can see here, it opens without a problem. But you get this, just click on accept, and when you accept, you're going to click on account. You are going to get this message. That's Microsoft Office, LTSC Professional Plus 2024 Preview. This is not activated. What you need to do now is to activate your Microsoft Office. So to activate your Microsoft Office, you're going to click on Change Product Key. And when you click on Change Product Key, you're going to get this pop-up box that needs you to enter your product key. Now, for the sake of this video, you're going to copy this key here and you paste it here. I'll leave this in the description together with the other command. And so you copy this and paste it here. When you do that, you're going to see this button here that says activate Office. So you can click on that. It's going to get Office ready for you. And just like that, you're going to see that your product is activated. And this is how you can download this Microsoft Office 2024 preview version. If this video was helpful, please leave a like on this video. Please share it with other people who might like a video like this. Otherwise, I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.